How to find Discord servers. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can explore more servers on Discord, how to find new servers that you're interested in. So what I want you to do is simply open up your Discord. Once you have logged into your Discord on your mobile phone or your laptop, you will simply find all of the servers that you have joined here. Beneath your server list, like when all of your servers will be shown, and then we know we have this add server option. Simply scroll down to the bottom and then you will find this option. Then we also have the option of explore public servers. So if I click on explore, then this is where I will get. And we have home, we have gaming, music, education, science and tech, entertainment, and student hub. So you can see we have hundreds of thousands of servers right here, public servers that are available to join. And we can actually select from any niches. For example, I'm interested in a gaming server. Okay, I want to join that. So they will actually show you the popular communities. And now all I have to do is I will simply, click on the server and then I will just, look around for now. But you can simply go ahead and join a server this way and then you can leave it anytime you want to. Similarly, I can go back and this time I can go for science and tech. We can also search for any specific Discord server from this option right here, search bar. Simply type in the name and after that you will be able to find and explore all of these different Discord servers that are available. And this is how you can simply go ahead and find different servers on Discord. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.